All the 3 is common. In all the 4 experiments, these 3 are common. You should not forget to connect this ground also. If you forget this, your circuit will not work. Clear? Stop. Now look here. What I'll do is, I'll make it easier, the connections. First, you can connect only this much. We'll complete this part of the circuit. Then we can come back to the previous part. Okay. Now, the thing is, I have connected plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts. Next, I'll connect pin number 3 to ground. So this is pin number 3. I need to connect it to ground. This is done. Next is, I will have to connect what? RF. RF is connected between pin number 2 and pin number 6. So what's the value of RF?
1 kilo.
What's the value of R1?
1
What's the value of RF? 1 kilo. R1, R2, all are equal to how much? 1 kilo ohms. Now we connected RF. Is there any doubt with respect to this particular connection? Now this is done. This part is done. Now we can go back to the previous part. Now, so I need to connect R1 and R2. Both R1 and R2 are connected to pin number 2, right? So let's start with R1 connection. So from pin number 2, connection should be given to one end of your resistor R1. Let's say this is R1. So from the other end of your R1, connection should be given to where? V1. This is V1. Now for V2, what should I do? I have to make use of blue box. So next is again from pin number 2 itself. One connection should be given to one end of your resistor R1. R2, sorry. So from the other end of your resistor R2, where should the connection go? To positive terminal of your blue box. So we will have to go for variable power supply. Done? After this, look here. You have used positive terminal now. You will have to connect negative terminal to ground with respect to the blue box. Because this is different kit. This is different kit. If we are using this positive supply, that means you will have to connect the ground of this and this common in common. That means you will have to connect the ground connection. And all the connections are done. So last is voltmeter connections. Voltmeter, negative terminal should be connected to ground and positive can use it as a variable. Now look, how many ground connections we have here? How many ground connections? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? So here how many we have? 4. That means circuit is correct. Next, coming to the experimental part. Now look here. So we will take one V1 value, one V2 value. What is the equation for adder? V0 is equal to what? Minus of V1 plus V2 plus V3 continuous. But in this case we have only 2 inputs. So output is V0 is equal to minus of V1 plus V2. Now let's take V1 and V2. Now check. So this is 12 volts. Is it 12 volts? This one? Minus 12 volts. Both are working. So V1 how much will have to keep? We'll keep it to 1 volt. It is already there. So what's the value of V2 will keep? 2. So it's already fixed. So 1.05 plus 2.27. How much? 3.32. So now I need to connect this where? With number 6. So 3 point. What was the expected value? 3.3. You are getting it as 3.26. Minus 3.26. What is minus indicating you? It's a inverting adder. Addition plus inversion of 180 degree. So similarly continue to subtractor. So we will do subtractor now. Who will do subtractor? Who wants to do subtractor? You don't want to repeat the experiment, subtractor?